Independence Day is not just a day on calendar. Courage and sacrifices of those who fought our labor, and those who are enemies of my people are my enemy, and those who are troubling my people are deemed to declaring war. And their vision and determination paved the way for our freedom. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I am your brother Muzammil Manaf. Today we gather to celebrate a day that marks our birth, our nation's freedom and unity. Independence Day is not just a day on calendar, but a reminder of values and principles that make our country great. On this day, we honor the courage and sacrifices of those who fought our liberty and paved the way for our freedom. And their vision and determination paved the way for our freedom we enjoy today. I gonna to talk one of the freedom fighters, the Tiger of Mysore, and the speaker this remarkable and historical words. शेर की एक दिन की जिंदगी, शेर की एक दिन की जिंदगी गीदड़ की 100 साल जिंदगी से बेहतर है. I mean Tipu Sultan. Respected teachers, beloved friends, all audience. Tipu Sultan, the Tiger of Mysore, was a great visionary who exposed the expansionist designs of British imperial forces and gave a clarion call to his fellow countrymen and native ruler to unite and fight against the East India Company. My brothers, Tipu Sultan was born 10 November 1750 at Devinahalli village, Kolar district, Karnataka state, to Hyder Ali. Hyder Ali was famous as a Napoleon in South India, was his father, and Fatima Fakrunnisa was his mother. Tipu Sultan received the proper training in martial arts and participated in various wars along his father. Tipu Sultan became a ruler of Mysore 1782 after death his father Hyder Ali. While Tipu Sultan became the ruler of Mysore 1782 after death his father Hyder Ali. While he taking a charge of Mysore, he declared his people, I oppose you. I could lose my paradise, my life, my happiness, and the happiness of people is my happiness. I can't think that whatever I like is good. I consider that whatever wish of my people is my wish, and those who are enemies of my people are my enemy, and those who are troubling my people are deemed to declaring war against me. My brothers, Tipu Sultan came to his promise all through his life, while he facing continuously attacking by Nizam of Hyderabad and Marathas. My brothers, Tipu Sultan was able to expand his kingdom from River Krishna in north from about 400 miles and Malabar to western to eastern Ghat for about 300 miles, his 17-year rule. My brothers, Tipu Sultan increased modern trade, industry, civil engineering, and he tried to reform the British criminal by assigning them the community work just like a plantation, etc. as a punishment. Tipu Sultan was polyglot. He well versed in Kannada, Telugu, Marathi, Arabic, Farsi, and French. Tipu Sultan worked hard to improve and promote the education. Tipu Sultan, like his father, held the secular outlook and was impartial to all religion. My brothers, British identified the Tipu Sultan the enemy number one in South India. Jealous of Nizam of Hyderabad and Marathas can't digest the success of Tipu and joined hand with East Indian Company against him. They all attacked the Srirangapatnam, the capital of the Mysore, which led the historical fourth war of the Mysore. Tipu Sultan entered the battlefield to defend his people and the state. My brothers, due to treason there committed by Viva Mir Sadiq and others who paved the way enemies to enter the battlefield, entered the fort of Srirangapatnam, Tipu Sultan suffered a defeat Tipu Sultan died on 7th May 1799 fighting against the enemy in battlefield. I conclude my speech thanking you all to listening to me patiently and wishing you all to happy Independence Day. Let's enjoy the diversity of our nation and embrace that. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.